Hello everyone and welcome back to Partstalk. Today we will feature another article from the CBC, and this one is entitled Entrepreneur Offers Hope to Women with Auto Detailing Business in London, Ontario. It's no coincidence that I did a feature on Patrice Banks and Girls Auto Clinic like 2 weeks ago. The link to that video will be below in the description box, where I talk about women entering our domain, our safety spot, the business that keeps the economies and countries growing. So I find women taking on these challenges as refreshing. But before we begin, please hit that like button for more content and subscribe if you find my topics informative, so you will be notified when I drop a new episode. It will only take 1.5 seconds. A friendly reminder that I may be the only program that takes you beyond the sales department consistently. Others focus specifically on cars, their performances, look, style, features, and DIY videos from mechanics. So let's get into the article. Now, Kayla Kh, her last name is spelled KH, created the concept to honor her late brother, an advocate of those experiencing homelessness. Now, a small independently owned auto detailing business in London, Ontario is hiring women in need of new skills and a second chance. Layla, entrepreneur and founder of Covergirls Auto Detailing, said she came up with the idea for the business following the death of her older brother, Sam. So she started out this business, dedicated it to her older brother with hope that will actually add value to our society. And she goes on, "We used to pass around food to homeless people. He had a big desire of helping the ones who are in need." Kay said that when she went with her brother to pass out food, she will often meet women experiencing homelessness, and I learned a lot about their struggles firsthand. And to be honest, there has been a rise in homelessness, particularly amongst women. There is a lot of factors contributing to that, but this is not the platform for me to go into detail with it. She opened Covergirls in the city's West End in September, aiming to help women overcome barriers and build a sense of independence. The single garage shop offers exterior and interior car cleaning services. Covergirls is meant to be a source of income for its employees and a second home. This is a place where I want to be able to help them to get back on their feet, to believe in life again, and to have hope again, and to say they can do it well, said Kay. It will be a big help for those that don't really feel comfortable to go somewhere else to work, she added. And here's a subtitle here that says, "Family values hard work and dedication. What more do you need?" Since opening, employees Manveen, Kaur, and Clara have learned to provide detailing services such as waxing, vacuuming, and shampooing to a growing clientele. Kaur, who found Covergirls through a friend, and as you know, word of mouth is the best form of advertising, said it's been empowering to come to work. Of course, if you're doing something that you love, then the passion will come automatically. I've learned about family values, hard work, and dedication, things that are needed in order to make your job worthwhile. Family, work, dedication. For Musazade, working at Covergirls has been an opportunity to connect with the wider community that comes through the door. It's exciting for us to have communication with different people of what their thoughts are and what their life goals are and what they're going through, said Musazade. It makes you feel good, actually, to accomplish good things, to help to make someone smile. And this is a feeling of when someone has pride in workmanship. Mechanics get that feeling every day. Contractors get that feeling. Construction workers get that feeling. Some persons who actually work with their hands, blue collar workers, they get that feeling when they have accomplished something in order to make someone else's life more comfortable. Kay said that for the foreseeable future, she plans to continue to hire only women for the shop and hopes to eventually expand the business. Now, stories like these are feel-good moments, and of course it gives a ray of hope of exactly what is needed in today's society. The end goal, she said, is to provide as many women as possible with opportunities for a better life. We can do it. We can do detailing. We can become mechanics. We can become construction workers, she said. It's the power within us that we need to show it out there that we can do it. But of course, stories like this never get to the mainstream media. You'll only see one-off articles. Because I'm actually in this space, why I was able to find something like this. The only things that I mostly come across, because I had to dig deep in order to find these articles in order to empower particularly women, that there are ends to a means, or means to an end, in order to survive in today's global economy. I still can't understand, with the plethora of options out there, women still are running to places like OnlyFans or seeking arrangements, just like this girl that I came across her YouTube channel, and it actually points out some of the things that she's been trying to teach a lot of the younger generation out there, that is okay to do seeking arrangement. At first, I didn't know exactly what it was, but of course, let me read in terms of her description that she has here before I don't think I'm going to be playing the video. Her name is Vivian Luell, and she goes on and says, so many girls in LA have sugar daddies, or at least tried seeking arrangements out, so I thought I might as well give it a try, and also opened up about what my next steps are. Also, the guy I told you guys that I was meeting when I filmed this never texted me back, so there's tons of fake guys on the side who are flaky, and when I say they just want to hang out, and that's definitely not true, you gotta do more. I'm sure unless the guy is so rich and blows it on girls without sleeping with them, which I only doubt. Alright, we go follow me on my TikTok, yada yada yada. I mean, you see where I'm going with this. And of course, she has over 100,000 subscribers. And she's not the only one. If you go along the plane right here, which I'm showing, tips to make your sugar baby profile attract. I became a cyber sugar baby. How to get an allowance from a sugar baby. Let's scroll down some more. Sell books online. Okay, that's a good one there. Legit cyber sugar baby hacks. 32,000 views, 296,000 views. I mean, it's all over the place. So ultimately, what they're doing is teaching other women to be promiscuous instead of being productive and to add value to our society. Thank goodness for women like Layla and Patrice Banks of Girls Auto Clinic. And on that note, I hope you learned something today. Remember to smash that like button for more interviews and subscribe so you'll be notified when a new feature video is up. Until next time, this is Chris Clark, and of course, I'm going to leave you with a word from Patrice Banks. Here we go.
Listen up, ladies. Girls Auto Clinic is owned by women for women. We've all been there before, at the mechanics feeling misunderstood and uneasy simply because we don't fit the gearhead stereotype. Girls Auto Clinic in Philadelphia provides a much-needed alternative where trustworthy and experienced she-canics cater to a female clientele. With offerings from car repairs and auto education to mani-pedis, this is what we call a full-service garage.